Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Brad, it's got two Sundown SA10 D2s, one two Pioneer 1200 watt Armas amps. Pretty much ran the same amps since I started coming out here.
Nice.
Pioneer D series doors. They're powered by a Pioneer 4 panel.
Okay.
Basically everything's Pioneer except for the subs.
Did you take your back of your seat out?
Yeah, just the back, and then I tried to make it look as good as I could, except for the wrinkly flag.
It looks good, man. Hey, you made it work. Did you do any kind of sealing off around the trunk at all? Dynamat or anything?
I did as much as I could with like weather stripping, towels, whatever I could find that wasn't going to be permanent to seal it up and still be able to take it out if I needed to.
Yes, sir.
So really the box is built to slide directly into place.
Yeah. Did you build the box?
Yeah, I did with George with the red trail laser.
Yep.
Been in it recently, but we both tag teamed it.
Nice job. Do you know the cubic space or tuning?
So it's tuned to, I can't remember, it's 32 to 34. It's about 2.75 net for both of the subs. They recommend about 1.25 per sub. So.
And these are 10s?
Yes.
What made you go with 10s?
It's the biggest sub I can fit in that opening.
There you go. Good point.
The deck stops here, so it's as far down as far up as I can go.
Got it.
But I wanted to try something that wasn't just in the trunk because even with second skin on the trunk, it just soaks it.
Yes, sir. Any upgraded alternator or battery?
I just put an Optima yellow top in. I got a really good deal on it. I was gonna go with excess power.
Yeah.
I found an Optima.
Yeah, it works.
Why not?
All right.
I did some kind of, I did at least part of the big three. I don't think I had the chassis round done.
Got it. Yep.
I did it a while ago, I forgot.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah, I would love to hear, man. Thanks for the info. All right. How's the bandwidth on the box?
So, when I metered it, its peak was 142 decibels of one window down.
Okay.
With the trunk closed. And it did 126 at 20 hertz. So it holds it pretty well.
Yeah. Can I see the back? Are the amps already open?
Yep, it's open. I'm going to pull the bags off.
Okay. Nice. So did the box slide in?
It slides in from the front.
Okay, got it.
And I have it kind of tied down as best I can do to get it down here.
What is this? What's the difference?
So this here, I can pull this bottom piece off and I can slide it in and out.
Okay, got it. So
there's an axle hump in the back right here.
Yeah.
And that's why I can't go any lower with it.
Got it. Okay. And these are at 1 ohm?
1 ohm each.
So dual 2s at 1 ohm, 1 per sub?
Yep.
Got it. Looks good. You sealed it off pretty good too.
Yeah, as best I could.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure there's a couple leaks somewhere, but I haven't found them yet. It's only been in here for about a month.
Okay. Sounds good, man. All right.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Window up or down on my side better?
Down.
Okay.
Down works the best.
Sounds good. All right, I'm ready.
All right.
You want the trunk closed?
No, it's good there.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.